Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of changing your home or work address in your Tesla's navigation system. This is crucial for accurate routing, energy planning, and seamless integration with your Tesla experience. As of December 2025, the process is streamlined and user-friendly across all models like Model 3, Y, S, and X. First, ensure your Tesla is powered on and connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or cellular. On the central touchscreen, tap the navigation icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the map interface where you can manage your saved locations and preferences. Next, select the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. You can now manually enter the new address using the on-screen keyboard, or use Tesla's voice command feature by tapping the microphone icon and speaking the address clearly. Accuracy is key, so double-check the entered information. Once the new location is found and selected on the map, tap the Add as Favorite button. A prompt will appear allowing you to designate this location as either home or work. If you already have a home or work address set, you can long press the existing favorite to edit or replace it with the new one. After selecting home or work, confirm the change on your Tesla's touchscreen. The system may prompt you to add a specific name or additional details, like parking instructions, to ensure precise navigation to your location. Take time to customize your address with relevant notes, such as a custom name for easy recognition or specific parking instructions that help guide you accurately to your destination. One of the great features of Tesla's navigation is its seamless integration with the Tesla mobile app. Changes made in the car are synced to your app and vice versa. This allows you to update addresses from your smartphone, providing added convenience. Make sure you are logged into your Tesla account on both the car and the app. You can update addresses directly in the Tesla mobile app. This ensures that your addresses are synchronized across all your devices. While changing addresses in your Tesla is generally straightforward, occasional glitches can occur that may affect navigation accuracy. A frequent problem is incorrect routing caused by inaccurate address entry. This often happens when users rush through the setup or make typos. To avoid this, always double-check your address before saving it as a favorite. Be aware that software updates, such as the 2025.8 version, can sometimes cause temporary loss of saved favorites, including home and work addresses. In these cases, you'll need to re-enter the addresses manually. Tesla typically responds quickly to user reports by releasing patches to fix any bugs. Users often share issues and solutions on community forums like Tesla Motors Club, where the latest updates and workarounds are discussed. Looking ahead, Tesla's navigation system is evolving with AI personalization. The system will learn from your driving patterns to provide more tailored experiences. Expect features like AI-driven route optimization based on your driving patterns, making journeys more efficient and personalized. Integration with smart homes is also on the horizon, potentially enabling automatic garage door opening upon arrival. While privacy is a priority, future updates might offer optional automatic address updates based on frequent visits. These features will be optional, ensuring users maintain control over their data and navigation preferences.